Hi friends, myself Lipin. Today I am going to explain about 200 EMA and RSI for delivery stock selection. So most of the people are not aware like how to select a long term or short term stock based on like 200 EMA and RSI. So today I am going to explain all those things through a live market. So before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon. Okay, let us come to the topic. So how to set 200 EMA and RSI and how we can select a stock based on this. First thing, we have to log into our applications. Once you log into the applications, we have to set 200 EMA and RSI to our graph. So once this is done, we can select a stock like which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMA. EMA means exponential moving average. So which are coming to 200 EMA, so we can select the stock. Once it crosses the line, then you can expect like there can be a good movement for some period. So you have to book that profit and you have to keep the stop loss like maybe 20 points below the 200 EMA. So I am going to explain all those things today. So the first thing, we have to set that you have to log into any of the applications. Once you log into the application, you can go to the chart site. Here you can see chart. So just you have to open the chart. So this is like I have already done a 200 EMA and RSI. Here you can see the line here. This is for the Alok industry. Okay, I am showing you in a live market for the Alok industries. So Alok industries, you can see the green. Here you can see the green line. So this is my 200 EMA. And the down you can see this is 300 RSI. So you have to set, the first thing is that you have to set 200 EMA and RSI to your chart. So once this is test, you have to go to 6 months. Okay, you have to analyze for 6 months. So 6 months or 1 year, you have to select a time period. So based on that, you have to see okay which are the stocks are coming to this 200 EMA, because you cannot select a stock for 1 day or 1 month. So based on that, you cannot decide okay this is going to up or down. So you can see the performance only based on 6 months or 1 year. So within that 1 year or 6 months, whichever the stocks are coming to 200 EMA, we have to buy that stock. See here you can see Alok Industries. Alok Industries was on April, it was closed above 200 EMA, and here also you can see the RSI value also is coming above 50. So 50 here you can see, and whenever it is coming above 50 line, it is like the trend is there, you can buy a stock. And you can see it almost like around 10 rupees the Alok Industry was above moving average. And now what is the current rate now? It is almost 40 rupees up now. So now the current rate is 53. So that is the reason, see every time if you see the candle also, it is always like it is going only green candle. So some extent you can get the profit, or in some extent you can expect that this stock can move ahead. So this is one of the best thing, like whenever the stock is coming to RSI, you have to observe and you have to see the 200 EMA also, like which are the stocks are going to cross the 200 EMA, we have to keep in watch list. So once this is crossed 200 EMA, you have to enter, then you have to keep a stop loss, like stop loss maximum 20 points. You can it will be like 20 points is more than enough if you are going with 1000 rupees stock. If you are going a small shares, not required even stop loss also. Once it comes to 200 EMA, then you can sell it off. Okay, let us see one more stock. So like Reliance also we can see. So this is Reliance chart. Let us see like how Reliance was performed. Okay, let us see Reliance. And here you can see May Reliance is crossed 200 EMA. So as soon as this 200 EMA is crossed, you can buy or you can sell. If it is going downside, you can sell a stock, and if it is going upside, you can buy a stock. Here you can see around March, Reliance was crossed 200 EMA. It was downside, and you can see how much it moved from almost from 1300. It came nearby 800, and after that again it came to 200 EMA. Here you can see around May month it was closed again 200 EMA. So that time you would have purchased around 1300 or something nearby that you can purchase. And now you can see what is the price now. It is almost 1700. So within a time period, like if you are going for a short or long time, like 2 to 3 months and all, we can get a good return. So only thing is that you have to select the stock based on 200 EMA. So that is the best tool for buying delivery stock. So the risk level will be coming down. Like whenever there is a, only thing is that you will be getting loose only if there is a negative news in the market, like if there is a corona, like that issues. That time no one can predict the market. If the market there is no issues, then you can predict the market. Okay, you can think, okay, this is coming to 200 EMA, and you can get a good profit. Okay, let us see some more stock also. Like you might have heard about Ruchi Soya. Like recently, it was grown around 8,000% growth. And let us see like how this stock was moved. Okay, this is the chart for Ruchi Soya, and you can see like what was the price now. Here you can see it was closed 200 EMA around March, and after that you can see like after March onwards there is only green candle, and the price was around somewhere around 200. It was closed 200 EMA, and after that you can see it is not even coming to the downtrend. So it is always going above the trend. So you have to enter that time, and you have to identify this stock. Like regularly we have to check, okay, which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMA, because we have a lot of stocks. So we have to identify like which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMA, and based on that we have to decide and you have to buy the stock. Well, let us see some more examples. Like I'll show you like one of the other stock. Like you can see. Okay, let us see ITC. What is the performance of ITC currently now? So this is ITC. Okay, if you see ITC, it is not close 200 EMA. It is nearby the 200 EMA. So this time we have to observe the stock. So this is coming nearby the 200 EMA. Here you can see it is coming nearby the 200 EMA, and if it is like around 210, it will cross EMA. So at that time you have to enter a buy call. So as soon as it crosses, we can expect like maybe 30 to 40 points. Even within a month also it can cross. So like you can see here, like whenever it is crossing, like see everywhere it is not even crossing, it is just touching and going down. So only thing is that whenever it is touching, don't buy. Once it is crossing above the line, you have to see the candle also. Like once it crosses, once above the 200 EMA, the candle is formed, you can immediately buy and you can hold for a long time, and you can make a good profit also. So this is the best thing. Like you have to see the RSI also. Here if you see the RSI, you can see here RSI 50 is like below the line. So it is not close the line. So only this RSI has to go cross the 50, and the same way the 200 EMA also has to cross. So once both the things are crossed, you can assume that this stock is going to break out. So you can make a good profit. So this is the best tool where you can make good profit. Okay, let us see some more stock like Bharati Airtel also. Let us see how the performance of Bharati Airtel. Let us see the chart. And this is Bharati Airtel, and you can see here the 200 EMA was closed on April. Here you can see the 200 EMA was closed on April, and again you can see how the performance is. It was around 500 rupees is closed. Now it is like almost 600. So within a short period you can make a good profit. And here also you can see the RSI value is going above 50, and it is always above 50 because it was closed long back. So you can see December in a long back, like around August and all, every time it is above 200 EMA. So those kind of stocks are good for holding for a long time, because you won't be getting loss, because it is always above 200 EMA. Here you can see like it is coming and touching. In August it is coming and touching to the green line like 200 EMA, and again moving up. See, everywhere it is not even going down. See, whenever it is coming, again it is pulling back. So that is the reason this kind of stocks are very good for long term investment. Here you can see after March it came and touched, but it did not cross the line. Again it went up. From here you can see, and the RSI also you can see it is not even going below the 50 line. Here you can see the white color. Here you can see RSI value is 50, and it is going always above the line. So these are the best technique. Like when you are planning for a long time, you have to use this technique, and you can make sure, okay, these are the stocks are going to perform well in the future. So based on that, you have to select the stock. So in future, I will be in daily basis, I will be selecting one or two stocks. I will be identifying one or two stocks, and I will be giving you or like okay where we can invest for a long time. So I'll be giving you suggestions for long time also, like from tomorrow I'll be selecting one stock and I'll be analyzing, and I'll be start providing you also like where we can invest. So kindly, so if anyone interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel also. You can I upload a lot of videos related to market. You can learn, you can visit my channel and you can learn more about market. In the same way, I have started a WhatsApp group also to support the beginners. You can join to this group and you can learn more about market. This group is absolutely free. The link I have given in the description. You can visit my description and you can join to this group also. In the same way, if anyone interested to open account with Angel Broking application, you can open the account through the link I have mentioned here. The same link I have mentioned in the description also. Just click on the link and you can open the account. So hope this topic is very clear, and in the future you can expect like daily basis I will be picking one stock and I will be giving you for the long term suggestions. So people who are interested, you can invest based on your risk. So how much you are going to invest, you have to analyze how much risk you are going to take. So based on that you can invest on that. So like a daily basis I will be analyzing on like each stock, like which are the stocks are coming to 200 EMA and how we can buy and what are the stop loss we can keep. So all those analysis I will be providing you for my upcoming videos. So kindly subscribe my channel, also enable the bell icon so that you will be getting notification immediately. Thanks for watching.